All right, boys and girls, we're going to be looking at a couple things together today where authors are using the text structure chronological order. When we understand how authors have organized their information, the text is easier to understand and for us to remember. We have a framework to figure out how all the smaller pieces of information fit together. I like to call this synthesizing. Chronological text structure organizes the information using a timeline, a flow diagram or a flow chart, or a cycle at the bottom of a page. So today we're going to look at an article called "The Eagle Has Landed." In this article, you will see that the author is using chronological order. And so I would like for you guys to read this article on your own. And I want you guys to note and think about how is the author showing chronological order and time throughout his article. And some of the answers of things that maybe you should have noticed are right here below. And our goal is that we're able to identify going forward when an author has done this. And so sometimes it's not always going to have dates. If it's sequential, it could say first, then, finally, then, furthermore, right? Like a recipe would. But if it's chronological, you will see those dates. But being able to just identify when an author is doing this is our goal for today. So today I want you to read through this article and see if you can find some places where they have used chronological order in the article "The Eagle Has Landed."